Okay, isang pinagpalang araw po sa inyong lahat. Doon po I want to say hello yung mga nasa Cebu. And hello din po doon sa nasa Baguio. And special hello. Meron po tayong nakikinig from Brisbane and from Queensland. Yung mga team po namin doon. And they promise that they're going to listen to us. Okay, so okay, ang unang tanong ko po sa inyo ngayon ay na-in love na po ba kayo? Sige nga, tanungin mo yung katabi mo. Okay. Na-in love ka na ba? Yes, di ba? Okay, so everybody have fallen in love, di ba? Yung totoong in love na in love, hindi yung para ka lang nag-partner kayo, tapos mamaya, wala na siya, o kaya ilang months lang, wala na siya. Dapat pag in love, it should be lifetime partner, di ba? So, hindi ka dapat, yung love, na pag in love mo, hindi yung dahil sa panahon or dahil uso lang ngayon. Hindi pwede yon. It should be a lifetime love. And that was really happened to me. I was in love. Sabi niya, oy, doon pa sa nasa harapan na leader doon. Kasama siya, syempre, but I was in love in Atomy. Bakit kaya? Okay. So in 1 Corinthians 13:4-7, it says there, love is patient and kind. So can we read that all? Sabay-sabay po tayo. 1, 2, 3. Love is patient and kind. Love does not envy or boast. It is not arrogant or rude. It does not insist on its own way. It's not irritable or resentful. It's not rejoice or wrongdoing, but rejoice with the truth. Love bears all things, believe all things, hope all things, endure all things. Meaning, my forever. Diba? Pag true love siya. Diba? So, the scripture here is very clear, okay, about love. So, it's indeed subscribe fully to God's design. So, meron pong lifetime assurance, di po ba, sa love, okay, between husband and wife, okay, sana, di ba, meron nga. So, the scripture is really very clear about this, okay, and this should be a declaration from our heart. So, same thing when we really want to become successful in Atomy, okay, kailangan ma-fall in love ka rin. The same way that I fall in love in Atomy. So you must fall in love with Atomy along with declaration, okay, to achieve our goals and eventually a balanced life. So, like our company slogan, alam niyo ang company slogan natin ngayon? Yes, words over matter. So this is our mantra. It is a mindset. So kailangan i-mindset nyo sarili nyo. This means everything in life basically depends on what is in mindset. Kung anong inisip mo, ano ang sinabi mo, yun ang mangyayari sa buhay mo. So dapat sabihin mo, magiging successful ako. Diba? Sige nga, sabihin nyo, magiging successful ako. Okay, so as our Chairman Hangil Park says or profess, sabi niya, when words do not end as mere words but are declared and shared, history unfolds miraculously. Right? So what kind of mindset ang meron ba tayo, diba? And how are we going to cultivate our mindset or enjoy our success in Atomy? Okay, so again, love is patient and kind. Love does not envy. Love equals Atomy is love. Okay, so alam niyo po, talaga pong in love ako si Atomy. And I want to share to you bakit po ako na in love kay Atomy. Actually, Atomy is love at my forever kay Atomy. So once again, I am Sharon Rose Master, Nori Magsingit from Fairview Lagro Center. Introduction pa lang yun. Okay. Alright, so let me share to you my journey in Atomy. Actually, I am a daughter of a military officer, Philippine Army, and my father was gunned down. My father was killed by an unknown killer. But I have believed that God has always planned to us and a purpose for our family. Okay, so napakasakit na lalabas ka ng bahay, tapos magugulat ka, babarilin yung father mo, di ba? So biglaan. Mas maganda pa po yung mamatay ng may sakit, at least nakikita mo, kesa po yung biglaan. So ganun po ang nangyari sa buhay ko. Okay. And with that, there's a lot of challenges that happens in our life. Na-trauma po kami. We are 6 girls in the family. 5 po dapat mag-aral pa. Saan kami kukuha ng pampaaral? Di po ba? So, hirap na hirap kami. We transferred from different house to house. Okay? So, hirap na hirap kami. Naranasan ko rin po na every 15 and 30 lang po kami kakain ng karne. Okay? The rest po, hindi kami pwedeng kumain ng karne. Okay? So, ganun po siya. So there's a lot of challenges that happens in us. Saan kami kukuha ng pang tuition fee? Ano ang gagawin ko? But my life, okay, and my perspective in life change. So kailangan po lumaban. Right? I need to be courageous or else baka po ipupulutin na lang din po kami dyan sa daanan or sa kalye. Di po ba? So, nagbago po ang pananaw ko sa buhay. Kailangan kong magsikap para matulungan ko ang aking mga kapatid. Okay. So, I did all my best. Okay, all the best shot, I did that. So, before I joined Atomy, actually, in terms of education, I studied hard. So, makikita niya po dyan, my highest attainment in education is Doctor of Education in Educational Management. So, I'm a doctorate degree also, and career-wise, in terms of government, as well as private practices, okay, I had the highest position. I became the Dean of the College of Nursing, as well as the Vice President of the college, and in the hospital, I become the highest position in the nursing service, okay, which is the chief nurse and currently the director of nursing of the current tertiary hospital. So life must go on. And to make the story short, I made a declaration that rather than dwelling in the past, okay, I must press on and focus on attending to my career to help my family. Even after I got married. Okay, nasa harapan niyo po ang aking equal half. Ayan. Okay? But then, even though you are in the highest position, okay, in your career, my career started to back down because of my battle with the big C. And what is that big C? It's a cancer. Siguro dahil sa sobrang sipag ko, di ba, no? Sobrang stress ko sa buhay ko. I had a cancer. So I'm striving a balanced life. But how can we give things in circumstances like this? Can you give things pag sinabi sa'yo ng doktor na may cancer ka? Di ba ang gagawin mo, iiyak ka ng iiyak? Yes, you will feel depressed. Well, some say it's easier than done. Magtanong ka, okay lang yan. Kasi, hindi ikaw ang may cancer. Pero pag nagka-cancer ka, iba yun. Right? So, sabi nga ng ganun you can share, you can give advice. Pero pag ikaw na ang may cancer, mahihirapan ka. But again, for me, the breath of life that we have in every single day is enough already. So bigyan ako ng hininga ng Lord every day, that's fine with me. Okay? And I really want to thank our Maker because I had the big C. Why? Because I have a purpose in my life to achieve a balanced life. Okay, so this is an actual laboratory of mine. I was diagnosed 2012, okay, of December, of parathyroid cancer through fine needle biopsy. I had my first operation. It is thyroidectomy, and it's positive for lymphoma. Okay. And then, I did a lot of radiation therapy because according to my doctor, no, you'll be fine, Nori. Sabi sa akin ng ganon. After radiation, you'll be fine. But it doesn't happen. You know, what happened is that, ayan, lalo, even though I had radiation therapy, I'm a very good patient, I drink all the synthetic medicine that they provided me, still my cancer cell, the thyroglobulin level is 470. The normal is 9 to 10. Ang layo ko, right? So series of radiation, blood extractions happen. In 2014, every 6 months, every 2 months, imagine, di ba, nandun ako lagi sa hospital. Haligi na nga ako ng hospital yung mayaman na hospital, di ba? Lahat ng pera ko yata nawawala na, nasa kanila na, yung mga savings ko. Because if you are battling with cancer, all your savings will be gone. And that's true. Yes. So what happened to my thyroglobulin level? Kahit radiation ako, continuous radiation, meron pa rin siya. And the worst thing is, I need to undergo a second operation. This time, my operation is neck dissection. Ano po yon? Biniyak po yung leeg ko, para akong si Frankenstein, if you're going to approach me, yung malapitan, dito po ang aking biyak hanggang dito po sa leeg ko sa kabila. So ganun po siya. I cannot drink water for 6 months. I don't have any voice. Ngayon ang ganda boses ko, di ba? So I'm so pangit that time. Why? Because of the radiation, series of radiation, what happened? Nagda-dry skin mo, right? So my hair also becomes dull. Bumabagsak yan. Nawawala yan. Imagine mag-CR ka. Pag ganyan mo, wala kang buhok. Diba? Parang, you're so depressed that time. But life must go on, and I still believe that God has a purpose in my life. Fighter, ano? Diba? Okay. So, before yan po ako, ang ganda, no? Before, ano? Pero ngayon po, pag lumapit kayo sa akin, maliit ang isang eyes ko. Yes. And that is because of the effect of the radiation therapy and as well as my second operations and the battle that I had in my cancer. Now, sabi ng husband ko, total, sabi niya, pati siya depressed na rin eh. Hindi ka naman, wala naman yatang kagalingan yung cancer mo. Siguro, ang gawin na lang natin is kumain dun sa mga restaurant na gusto mo. So, every 15 and 30, we ate sa Japanese food and then the Italian food and in 2015 of December, okay, we ate at Sangyupsal, the first Sangyupsal in the Philippines owned by Ma'am Lydia and Dinali. Yan. So, they introduced to me Atomy, but I did not believe. Okay? Hindi po ako naniwala kay Atomy. That was 2015. 2016, nilaunch si Atomy, tama? Ng June. Pero hindi po ako naniniwala kaya I did not attend on that. Okay, why? Because I'm still looking kung ano yung makakatulong sa akin sa cancer ko. So, continuous battle. Ito po is, after po ng radiation ko, I have to be admitted again for another 9 days because all my electrolytes are going down. And once your electrolytes are going down, ano yon? You are potential to have cardiac arrest. And which then happened to me on my last or my 12 times radiation. Ganun po ang nangyari sa akin. Pero life must go on. Fighter, di ba? Focus still on advocating the role of hope and modeling. So I'm a nurse. I had to focus on advocating hope both for the students and as well as to a patient like me. Probably this is one of the reasons I had an experience crisis in my life. Okay, so, since nagme-metastasize na naman po ang aking cancer, and this time, nasa mediastinum na, going to the lungs. Again, I'm a very good patient, right? I had series of radiation. I'm doing blood extraction every 2 months. Okay. And you know, on my 12 radiation, susunod 13 na, di ba? Sabi ng doktor ko, you will have another radiation. I told her, Doc, ayoko na kasi montik na akong mamatay dun sa 12 ko na radiation. In the Philippines, pag sinabi mong 13, malas na number. Ibig sabihin niya, matitigok na ako niyan. So what I did is to pray to God. And if you are really very serious in praying God, God will really answer you. And it happens to me. That when there is no hope, there will always be hope when you really talk to God. So I talk to God in my quiet time. And then when sabi ko, inano ko pa si God. Sabi ko, Lord, kung talagang sumasagot ka, kaya sa panahon namin ngayon, pag open ko ng Bible na ito, dapat nandyan ang sagot. And true enough, in Ezekiel 47, pag open ko po ng Bible, yan po ang lumabas. Sa Ezekiel 47, first, second, third, wala yung sagot. Pero on the verse 12, nandun ang sagot. Punta po tayo sa ilalim. Nakalagay po doon, the fruit is used for food and leaves for healing. Right? So, yun po ang nagano sa akin na kailangan at naalala ko si Atomy. Ibig sabihin, I have to go back to organic. Yan. So, di ba nakilala ko si Atomy 2015? Okay? Ito po is 2017. Okay? So, ang tagal na hindi ako naniwala. But because of that, na kailangan kong humanap ng organic, kailangan kong bumalik kay Atomy. So it was December of 2017 na bumalik ako sa Donde Restaurant. Ang gusto ko, kakain ako sa Donde. Pero nung nakita ko si Atomy, at saka si Himuhim there, nakita ko yung Kalayaan Center na magkatabi, pumasok ako doon. So then, I started, I was pushed by Ma'am Lydia Lee, sabi niya, you take this, you have cancer, right? So you have to take this Himuhim. I said, do you have any clinical trials regarding that? Kasi I don't want to take anything without any clinical trials. Kasi baka mamaya matigok ako at mamatay agad ako, di ba? Ayoko pa ngang mamatay eh. Kaya nga I'm fighting, di ba? So, what I did is to read all about the research in Atomy. And this is the one that strikes me. A herbal composition, Himuhim, a complementary agent for cancer, radiotherapy, and chemotherapy. Oops, ako yan. Diba? And that is in www.ncbi.gov.gov, which is true. Kasi kami po, in the medical side or healthcare worker, once your research is published in the publication of medicine, meaning it is genuine and it is true. Why? The clinical trials, meaning ginamit muna sa hayop bago ginamit sa tao. Okay? Then, my doctor told me, Nori, because of your increasing thyroglobulin again or cancer cells, then you have to undergo again radiation therapy. Sabi ko, Doc, ayoko na. Because remember, the last time that I had, muntik na akong mag-cardiac arrest. So this time, is it okay for me to take this Himuhim? So I show him all the clinical research. And then sabi niya, all right, then what you need to do is just to sign a consent. So I started taking Himuhim religiously and adding other healthcare products, okay, one after the other. So this now happens to my thyroglobulin levels. So from 56, naging 19 siya. Di ba? Okay, so there was a dramatic decrease. But my doctor says, wait, Nori, you have to undergo again the whole body scan, and then again is the next scan. And you know, true enough, the result is no any other growth. Okay, so ganun po. Right? So, sabi niya, wait, there's pa more, Nori. You have to take again that product that you're telling me for 6 months again. So imagine, so January to July, and then August, I have to start again of 2018 until December of 2018, and then stop it again, and then do the PET scan. This time, it's now the positron emission test. So, what is that? Okay, yun po, tinitignan niya po kung may growth pa yung cancer cells sa iyong mga tiny cells, or magkakaroon ka pa ng future cancer cells na will develop. But you know what happened po? Okay? Ang ginawa ko po, hinaluan ko siya, kinumbine ko siya ng mga products ni Atomy. And I called it a God-sent champ. Why? I took Himo-Him as my base, vitamin C, because cancer doesn't like vitamin C, and then the Atomy fish oil, the milk tea cell to protect my liver and kidney, and the probiotics to prepare my gut. Para linisin niya. Yan po ang tinake ko. This time, it's a combination already of all the Atomy supplements. And I read that research. And in my PET scan, nakita niyo po in red, nakalagay, PET scan, no any other growth noted. Di ba? Okay. So, in February of 2019, okay, I was blessed that they declared me, okay, no cancer or free of cancer. So look at my ionized calcium. Before it's going down, now it's normal. And then my thyroglobulin level, look at that, 0.10. Di ba? So that's almost, bagsak na bagsak yung cancer cells ko. Okay, so verily there are so many things that are impossible with man, but with God, all things are possible, right? Okay, since then, as the way of giving thanks to God, I become an Atomy advocate, particularly Himo-Him. Kaya sinabi ko sa inyo, in love ako sa Himo-Him. Imagine, and what I did now, you know, I was invited nationally to speak and share about Atomy. I become an advocate. Kaya pag makatabi kita, hindi ka member, magiging member kita. Okay? Kasi I am a living testimony of Atomy products. Okay? Okay, so let me share with you again the journey while you are in the Atomy. So, but speaking from my experience, of course, Atomy is not actually that easy. Tama? From the very start. And foremost, you have to overcome all your giants. Once you are in Atomy, there are giants. Okay? So makikita nyo, there are adversaries. Okay? Before you become successful in Atomy. And allow me to present this perspective. Okay? This is a lesson because I'm one of the Sunday school teacher also, na regarding yung during the time of Moses, di ba? Nung yung nakikita na nila yung Kanaan, nag-send siya ng spies. Okay, para makita ano ba yung lugar na yon. So it was Caleb, okay, and Joshua was the one who gave or who told Moses positively. Di ba? Ang ganda, lahat ng sinasabi niya puro positive. But among the these 40, meron namang 10 na nagsabi ng negative. Takot na takot sila kay doon sa nakikita nila. So, ganyan din po tayo. And these giants that we're going to encounter, we'll start it with letter G once you are in Atomy. Number 1 is going against the system. Well, the very first giant that we can identify is the spirit of going against the system. Remember that. Kasi, maaaring sabihin natin na mas magaling ang aking kapaaraanan because you belong to the other system or network marketing. But actually, Atomy, network marketing is different from other network marketing that you have experienced. And if you will only listen and attend, then you will overcome this. Kailangan lang tuloy-tuloy kayo sa Atomy. I am like you. Before, nasa dulo pa ako. I just keep on attending and listening. Yun lang po. For 4 months, just listen and attend without absent. After my work, nandito ako sa Atomy. So you have to plug on to your system. And if you are going against the system, eto po ang mangyayari sa members nyo. Nakita nyo po, nag-block na lahat. Unti-unting nawawala. Diba? Pansin nyo kasi, i-register mo lang. Pero hindi naman nila alam yung tungkol dun sa system. So yun ang mangyayari. Okay, magiging black, meaning hindi nila maintindihan ano ba talaga si Atomy. Okay, another in the eye is the inferiority complex or self-depreciation. Okay, so another giant is the spirit of inferiority complex, diba? So minsan sa buhay natin, diba, yung full potentials natin, ayaw natin, parang, sa akin na lang yan, diba? Eh, anong gagawin mo dyan? Kaya iaano mo sa hukay, di ba? Isasama mo sa hukay mo. No, you have to give your best shot once you are here in Atomy. Okay, so instead of embracing the challenges, ang ginagawa mo, you are very shy, and you are shy away from the opportunities out of fear or self-imposed limitations. You are just limiting yourself. Diba? So, ganun ang ginagawa nyo. So, that is inferiority complex. So, another is anxiety and fear. Another giants that you have to overcome. When we have giant spirit of anxiety, okay, it is a roadblock for our success. Hindi tayo magiging successful. It keeps us second-guessing ourselves, fearing failure, and sometimes avoiding opportunities altogether. And instead of moving forward, we may get stuck in a cycle of worry and hesitation. So, takot kang i-share. Bakit takot kang i-share? May clinical trials tayo. We have a lot of living testimony standing here in front of you. You have to overcome that fear. Okay. Another is the negative and ungrateful. There are a lot of people that you will meet that are negativistic. Tama? Diba? So, even your own relative. Actually, I shared it to my family first. Sabi sa akin, ha? Ano na naman yan? Baka mamatay ka yan. Diba? Hindi ka makpaniniwalaan. Alam nyo, may isa akong friend na I just share it to her. Dun po biglang, nag-blow up yung aking members. Friend ang tumulong sa akin. Right? So, a lot of negative people often focus on problems. Right? Rather than solution. So, they make it harder for us to learn and to adapt. And without the spirit of gratitude, it's easy to overlook achievements and lose our motivation. Huwag kayong sumama sa mga nega. Ha? Bawang magnega. Okay? Actually, we meet a lot of people. Right? Pero, still, okay, kailangan, yung mga positive people, dun tayo sumama. Okay? For us to become successful in Atomy. Okay? Okay, another giant that we have is the terrifying spirit. Takot ka, scared ka, na mag-share kay Atomy. Diba? So actually, this terrifying spirit or scaring spirit leads us to failure. Takot ka, ayaw mo, nahihiya ka, diba? Pag nahihiya ka, you're not going to become successful. I have a friend, she's a doctor. I was able to convince her. Nagulat yung secretary niya. Because every day kasama niya. She is an Atomian. Nagulat siya nung dumating ako. Pagdating ko doon, sabi niya na gano'n, Atomy member na si Doktora. Kanino? Sa akin. Kasi gusto ko siyang i-share pero nahihiya ako. Diba? So, naging member ko tuloy. Ganun talaga. So, I mean, you have to overcome this terrifying fear because pag halimbawa hindi mo siya na-overcome, lahat ng opportunities, instead of embracing it, you're pushing it away and limiting yourselves. So the fears keep us from trying new things. Tama? Okay. Meeting new people and seizing important choices that could open doors to success. So wag kayong matakot. Do not be fearful. Do not be scaring. You know what? Even our president, okay, even the chairman of a big company, big company in the Philippines, pharmaceutical, gumagamit ng toothpaste natin and also a member, my member in Atomy because I've overcome this fear. Okay? I have a lot of doctors, okay, nurses and dentists under me. Okay, so as skepticism or doubt, do not be doubtful. Ginamit mo na ba yung produkto? O, dapat gamitin mo. Kasi pag hindi mo ginamit, you will be, pag tinanong ka, ay, hindi ko alam, baka nga, oo nga, siguro nga, di ba? Do not do that. You have to use the product. And then when you use the product, you experience the effect, and then share it. Diba? So remember that fear will cause or avoid you from challenges. Okay? Rather than embracing the opportunities again for learning and growth, wala ka na naman. Diba? Nandyan ka na naman. Hindi ka na naman magiging successful. You are setting aside your success in Atomy. You have to be confident enough. Okay. So with all those giants, I want to share you, paano ko naman siya nilabanan, those giants, diba, that I have. So what I did is to advocate what we call the masters. Okay, so we can overcome all these giants if you're going to advocate these masters. And basically, we must have the spirit to move within the system. You plug in the system. Follow the system. Huwag mong sabihin, alam ko na yan. Kasi matagal na akong networker. Mga ganyan. Hello, Atomy is really different if you're going to plug in the system. Basically, we must have the spirit to move within the system. Huwag na po natin gawing complicated. Ha? Madali lang, mag-toothbrush ka, maligo ka. Yun lang. May complicated doon? Wala. Kasi lagi mo naman ginagawa at ginagamit. The bottom line is to follow the system and plug in. By, anong gagawin nyo? Attend seminar. By, sabi nga nila, bus. Buy, use, and share your experience with our Atomy products. And because of the custom success that we have in Atomy, Atomy First Management Objectives hosts the various seminars, online and offline, to all our customers. So we have our Success Academy, we have our one-day seminar like this, di ba? You have a group training, you have to attend on that. So, sa unang tingin po natin, paulit-ulit, tama? Di ba? Ano ba yan? Paulit-ulit, alam ko na yan. No, you will learn a lot. Okay, to those speakers, kahit na paulit-ulit yan, maiimbid yan sa brain mo. Next time, kahit nakapikit ka, alam mo paano sumagot. Alam mo ano ang Atomy system. But here in Atomy, we cannot be successful without operating our Atomy system. So follow the Atomy system. In advocating those giants, so mean assertive and with self-confidence. Okay, so to have courage, continue doing Atomy, okay, beyond your limits. So ibig sabihin nun, you do the best thing that you can do to yourself in doing atomy. Okay? Confidence helps us always overcome our setbacks and turn failures, okay, in stepping stone towards growth. Remember that. The beautiful thing here in Atomy is you can continue looking for your like-minded partners. So, it is also an infinite level, di ba? Napansin niyo yung iba walang infinite, hanggang dito lang, di ba? May limited levels, but in Atomy it's unlimited. And because of that, you can look for individual na tinatawag mong pearl. Bakit pearl? Kasi nanganganak siya. Di ba pag ito, hindi mo siya pearl, look for another person. Look for another person. Unstoppable until you find your pearl. Ang pearl po kasi nanganganak. At pag nanganak yan, magiging leader mo rin siya. Okay? So another is the success. Okay? Hindi siya lumipat. Oh, ayaw. It won't, tama, no? A? Okay. So A is assertiveness and self-confidence. There. Ayaw siya. Ayaw So anyway, success, say, the 8th system, please. Okay. Yan. So, no. Okay, anyway. Atomy is really a blessing. Okay. Anyway. Okay. So, success as they often requires stepping into the unknown and facing all the challenges. So, don't forget that you have to advocate the Atomy 8 system. So, ano po ba yung 8 steps of success? Wala dyan. Okay, one is the goal. You should set your goal. Ano bang goal mo sa buhay mo? So, habang nakaupo ka dyan, tingnan mo yung katabi mo. Your partners, what is your goal in your life? Diba? So, ano ba yung goal mo sa buhay mo? Gusto mo bang paupo-upo ka lang dyan? Okay. Diba? Or, okay, and after that, okay, so once you set your goal, okay, you have to meet all your partners also. You have to text them. You have to list up. So, kailangan mag-list up ka. Ngayon pa lang, alamin mo na, sino ba ang kailangan mong na ipa-member sa Atomy? Sino ba mga prospect mo? You do the follow-up and learn how to duplicate. And we are so thankful also that before, kami-kami lang, pero ngayon, meron na po kaming mga leaders. Okay. And that is our 3 Sharon Rose Master who are here, Ma'am Gigi Bugna, Sir Nono, and Ma'am Zell Espiritu. Okay? Yan. So, S is advocating the master. So, success, they often require stepping into the unknown and facing the challenges. And always take the risk. Hindi ka magiging successful if you're going to take a risk. If open comes to those who dare to try, even when the odds seems uncertain, and when we are spirited, we can inspire ourselves and make others successful towards their journey. Nakita niyo po yan? Actually, ang ginawa ko po dyan, when I plug in the system, kami pong mag-asawa, we draw our life scenario. So in the life scenario, doon namin ginuhit ang goal namin. And true, it happened. You know, when I was battling with my cancer, and I started to use the Atomy products, in June of 2018, I was awarded by our very own chairman, Han Gil Park, the Sales Master promotion. Right? There. So here is the 8 steps of success. You have to set your goal. You have to be committed. Hindi committed, ha? Kasi baka mamaya, yung pag sinabi mong yes, yes. Pag sinabi mo no, hindi yung, pag sinabi mong Ano tayo? Challenge tayo. Go. Tapos, nung nasa gitna na, isa-isa na lang umaatras. Diba? Hindi. When you say yes, we have to go for the challenge. We have to finish the challenge. We have to be brave, moving forward and setting our goals. So list up. Ayan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, ilista nyo lahat. Imposibleng 200 people, wala kayong kilala. Diba? Sinong walang kilalang 200 people? Kawawa ka naman pag wala kang kilalang 200 people. Wala kang kaibigan, diba? Loner ka ba? So you have to list up, explain the business. Okay, then you need to follow up through text, social media, etc. We have a lot. Pag sinabi niyang wala akong cellphone, di ba? Abay, marami tayong, ngayon, means of communication. Okay, you have to consult with your sponsor and you have to duplicate. Ayan. So, yun nga yung sinasabi ko ngayon na at least meron nang nagdo-duplicate sa amin. Okay, so T is thankfulness and optimism. Atomy is indeed a blessing. And as we look back, we have to thank God for allowing us to meet Atomy in 2015, for providing us with the opportunity to reconsider during our Atomy in 2018, and His gift of healing for my cancer in 2019. O, di ba? Ang ganda. Okay, so sana ganun din kayo, di ba? Hindi ko naman sinabi magka-cancer kayo. Sana maging maganda yung inyong journey with Atomy. As a way of our thankfulness, we will continue to advocate Atomy products and its system and reach out to as many people as we can. That's why during the COVID, hindi ako natakot. Sabi nga, kailangan risk taker ka, di ba? Pumunta po kami doon sa mga depressed area and we provided them and we gave them toothpaste, toothbrush for them to use. Kasi hindi sila ako meron akong card kasi I'm a health worker, right? So, kahit saan pwede ako. So, yun po ang ginawa namin. Okay? And today, I'm also very thankful to the members of our family, to our sponsors, partners, affiliates, and to the great audience that we have right now with us today, because I am here in front of you because of Atomy and because of you. And thank you so much. So please again, paharap po sa mga nag-invite sa inyo and say to her, thank you so much for inviting me sa Atomy. Ayan. There. Diba? So, if you do Atomy the right way, you will surely reap the benefits. And these benefits is advocating the master of letter E, which is encouraging spirit and uplifting. We are no expert of network marketing. Hindi po ako networker. Okay, first time ko pong nag-join ng networking, na nagseryoso po ako. Kasi nung una, dinadala lang ako, dahil friend ko, sige, sunod-sunod lang ako, di ba? Dakilang taga-sunod. Wala sa akin yan. Okay? So first time ko po talaga na mag-join and mag-active sa this kind of network marketing. But we continue to give our very best shot. So you are here in Atomy already, now give your best shot. You have to realize and achieve your goals and encourage your partners and all Atomians. Are you encouraged dun sa mga co-members nyo dyan, sa katabi nyo? O tapikin mo na, I'm encouraging because of you, or encouraged because of you. Okay, and because of continue doing Atomy, eto po ang nangyari sa amin. From small group, since the opening of the Fairview Lagro Center in September of 2020, that's the height of COVID, right? Pero risk taker nga kami. Nag-open kami through virtual. We have received already various awards and recognition from Atomy Philippines, along with the trust and confidence being accorded to us. So naging one of the best center kami ng September of 2020. And in 2021, at the height of COVID-19 again, we achieved the Auto Sales Mastership. That's why we have the pin. Yan. Okay, thanks to all our partners, our consumers. Okay. who have been very supportive and cooperative throughout these years. And we endeavor with our prayers, our partners, who will achieve also auto sales masters and the way to our imperial masters. Yan. And, ito pa. In 2023, we received the Entrepreneurship Year Award from the Direct Selling Association of the Philippines. So being the Best Entrepreneur of the Year Award 2023. Okay, so thanks again to Atomy Philippines, to the trust and confidence that they have bestowed to us. So it was also in 2023 when I became a Sharon Rose Master. Napansin nyo, nakahimuhim dress ako. Kasi yan po ang aking life scenario. Pag ako naging Sharon Rose Master, magsusuot ako ng himuhim dress. Kasi siyang nakagaling sa akin. And it happens in 2023. Okay? Okay. Up to now of 2025, we were able to produce 60 Sales Master, 15 Diamond Masters, and 3 Sharon Rose Masters. Ayan. Okay? So, as is reliance and belief. So, you have to believe in yourself. You have to think vividly. You have to overcome the giants in you. Without God, setting it aside, you will not be successful in your life. With God's will, you will always be successful and believe in yourself. Believe also in the Atomy products. So actually, we have already 13 Imperial Masters. 16 years na po si Atomy. And already serving an encouragement and inspiration to all of us. So, do not quit. Pwede kayong magpahinga, but do not quit. Kailangan lagi kayo pa rin bumibili. Maintain your account. So, Dreams Comes to Life, ito po yung aming journey sa Korea last year. Dati po, mag-isa lang ako. Yung sumunod na yun, isa lang din ako. Pero last year po, 20 po kami na group namin na sumama sa Korean tour. Yan. Okay, and this one, just last month, nasama ko rin po ang mother ko who is 81-year-old to travel in Jeju Island. At tignan mo na pati siya lumulundag, di ba? Okay, pati, imagine siya pa yung nakapanik doon sa tower. Naunang pumanik doon sa tower. Kaya lahat sila, 81 na doon. Noong una lahat sila back out, tapos nakita nila yung mom ko nandun sa taas, nasa tower na uuna. Ay, kaya natin yan, kaya. Di ba? She also enjoy this Atomy journey with us. Okay, so just eto, wow na wow, di ba? Reset. Last Monday and Tuesday po, we had our Auto Sales Master Workshop. Okay, this is a transformative experience that allow us to bring home invaluable insights and cherished moments shared with our fellow Atomians, okay, an Auto Sales Master. So it's a blessing to be an Atomian who believes in the unseen vision, okay, to realize. Maniwala po kayo, totoo po si Atomy. Okay, so again, in summary, if you have the giants here, you have to overcome it by by advocating the masters, right? So going against the system, move within the system. Inferiority complex, be assertive. You have anxiety, be spirited and brave. You have negative, wag kang nega. Okay, you have to be thankful in daily things that happens to your life. Terrifying spirit, you have to be encouraging one another and uplifting. Skepticism of doubtful, you have to be self-reliant and believe in your Atomy product. So, that's the reason why I fall in love with Atomy. We must fall in love with our products. Our compensation plans are passive income, which we are experiencing now. Travel incentive, we also are experiencing. Imagine free, wala kang gagastusin, di ba? Alright, our success system, our company's culture, observing principle, showing together, sharing together, sa kainan, sabay-sabay tayo nagkakainan, di ba, ng mga members. Our propagations of balanced life is money-rich, friend-rich, and time-rich. Ang dami ko pong nakilala na hindi ko naman sila kilala dati. So as our CEO says, the systems built in, our chairman says, the system built into Atomy covers everything that you have ever need. And it's enough for you to succeed. 90% po, gawa na ni Atomy. 10% na lang sa atin. And ano yung 10% na yon? Kumuda ka lang. Diba? So this is our blueprint. So according to our Imperial Master, Li Dugwu, sabi niya, in Atomy, if you don't succeed, it's miracle. Baligtad, di ba? So pag di ka naging successful, it's miracle. Pero pag naging successful ka, okay, miracle pa rin, di ba? Okay? So, in our chairman naman po, if you dream vividly, makikita niyo po yan dyan, it will definitely come true. So kung ano yung iniisip mo, yun ang mangyayari sa iyo. So commit to the Lord whatever you do and He will establish your plans. And that is in Proverbs 16:3. So with that, I want everybody to stand. So we want to declare that we want to be successful in Atomy. So we want to become Imperial Master, right? So gagawin po natin ito, I can do it. Okay? You can do it. We can do it. All right? In 3, 2, 1. I can do it. You can do it. We can do it. And with that, once again, I am Sharon Rose Master Nori Magsingit from Fairview Lagos Center.